In this short video, friends, we're going to talk about using the range command in Python. Let's break down and see how it works. So on line 1, I just established a variable x and gave it a value of 151. Sounds good, right? So here's how range works. We're going to use it in this case in a series of if-elif statements. If x in range is between 0 and 51, then it's going to print x is between 0 and 50. Now you might think I made a typo here, but I didn't. So check it out. This says 0 comma 51. So it's going to look for numbers that fall between 0 and 51, but it does not include the number 51. The upper limit is not part of it. It stops at 50. So that's why on our next part of the elif statement, it says elif x in range is between 51 and 101, which means it's checking numbers between 51 and 100. It stops at really 100.9. And then it will say, if that's the case, the value of x is between 50 and 101. And it will keep on going until we get to the end. If none of those conditions are met, it says else the number is out of range. Now, if we run this right now with a value of 151, it will say number is out of range. But let's make that number, that value of x, 15. Run it again. 15 is between 0 and 50. It is correct. How do you apply this? Well, if you're looking at this relative to using the generations, using this in the generations Python program, you're going to take their year born and see if it fits between the appropriate range for that generation. So if they were born in 1950, then it's going to check and say, hey, you're a boomer. Check the full assignment for the description. This is to serve as giving you a quick tutorial on how range works in Python. Thanks for watching and have a great day.